Yeah, welcome back to my video, everyone. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use the new file-based program in .NET 10. So if you have not watched my previous video on what is file-based program or application in .NET 10, you can watch my previous video. I will add that in the description. And what is it about is a file-based program is nothing but you can run your C# file just like you do with PowerShell or Python, right? You call your interpreter and run your file, whatever, PY or PS1, whatever. In similar way, you can run your C# just like a script, right? So all you have to do is .NET space run and space your file name, right? So in this demo, what I am doing is I've created a small console app, and that is going to talk to my Arduino, which you will be seeing, and we are going to toggle few LEDs, and that command will come from our C# file-based program, right? Let's start it. Let's start the demo and see how it goes, right? So you will be seeing the few LEDs. There are 4 LEDs, a couple of red and a couple of green connected to my Arduino, and that is connected to my laptop. So right now I'm going to call my script, C# script. So this is my C# script. So let me run this. So you can see I'm just doing .NET space run space my C# file. I will go through the code also, and I will share that in my blog. So don't get worried. Yeah. Okay, so first it is asking your port that is connected to Arduino. So if you are not sure what port your Arduino is connected, you can check here in device manager. So I have only one COM3, right? Nothing else. Or you can check in your Arduino tool also, Arduino IDE also, right? So your port is connected to COM3 as of now. So that is my port. So I know what is my port. So it is COM3. So I've started my port. Now it is asking what do you want? You want to turn on red LED, turn off red LED, turn on green LED, turn off green LED. Yeah, let's turn on red LED. Okay, red LED is turned on. Actually, there are a couple of red LEDs. One of them is weak. So unfortunately, out of 100 LEDs, I got only one working. Okay, let me turn off red LED off. Now I'm selecting green LED on. You see, both the green LEDs got turned on, right? So if I select the fourth option, green LED off, it will get off. Now if I go back to turn red LED on, the red LED will be turned on. All right. So this was the very small demo and how we can use C# as a script, and also we can control IoT devices like Arduino, right? So that was for the demo part. Now I will go through the code part. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, welcome back. So this is the code that basically controlling the Arduino. So Arduino is connected to my USB. That is nothing but serial port on my Windows laptop. So this is the new file-based program in C# with .NET 10 release. So now you can run your C# as if it is a script, right? So this is how you need to import a package. So this is the directive to import a package, and rest are your C# thing, right? So to control my serial port, I'm using this package system.io.ports, and to spice up my console, I'm using Spectre.Console. And this is the baud rate I'm using. So I will be using the same on the Arduino side. I will show that piece of code as well. And this is to style by title, right? The title that you saw, right? You can add any figlet text to spice up your console view. Okay. So basically, I'm getting the port. What are the port available? And once the user selects the port, it is going to connect to the port and send a message back to Arduino. And my Arduino is ready to listen to the serial communication that is getting from my PC, right? So this is basic sketch. So basically, this is case 1 is nothing but your red LED on. So and case 2 is when the digit 2 is sent from PC, it will turned off. When 3 is sent, green will be turned on, and 4 sent, green LED will be turned off, right? So this is very basic sketch as far as Arduino is concerned, and also on the C# side, this is the very basic code to control your Arduino. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show in this demo. I hope you might have liked it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.